Right, today we're going to prepare some sweet potatoes and then pop them in the freezer. Then we can bring them out when we want a nice quick ready meal. So this is what we do. Peel your potato, your sweet potato, and then cut them, slice them into chips so they're all roughly the same size. Meanwhile, you've brought your water to a boil and very carefully put your chips in. Bring them back to the boil for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, while you're waiting for those to boil, get some baking paper and line a tray in readiness to lay your chips in. Righty-ho, we're going to drain these off then, get the water away. Right, leaving them in the saucepan. I use goose fat with beef dripping. You can use oil. Put a dollop on, and then you get your spatula and move them around so you're coating them in oil. Be careful because they're going to be a little bit crumbly at this point, so it's important not to overcook them. And then semolina. Who'd have thought? Magic ingredient. Makes them taste gorgeous. Spread them out when they're nice and cool. Cold. Totally cold, they can go in the freezer. Now of course you can bypass the freezing part and put them straight into the Nija or your air fryer. So you need to turn your air fryer on. I take the tray out, put a little tiny bit of oil in the bottom, get it really hot, then I put the chips in and keep an eye on them. Right, totally cool now. I lay some more baking paper over it. And the reason I do that is sometimes in the freezer when you put your foil on, you get the water residue up on the top and it drips down, it makes them soggy. And we don't want soggy chips, do we? So put your foil over that and pop them in the freezer. For that night when you're out, you've been to the pub, you've had a nice drink, you come home, you just put your chips in the air fryer. Ninja. Okay, so we've had a really nice evening out. We've come home, we're peckish. Get our frozen chips out, stick them in, nice and easy. So there we are, air fry, 200 degrees, 15 minutes, fingers crossed. Right, I did put them on max crisp for the last 2 or 3 minutes. Look at them, absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to do the taste test. Oh wow, eat your heart out. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching all our videos, Derriton 33. Bye for now.